This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the access cover in the side panel trim. Disconnect the light cluster wiring plug. Squeeze together the clips and pull the bulb holder assembly from place. Depress the relevant bulb and twist it anti-clockwise to remove it. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Align the bayonet pins of the new bulb with the slots in the bulb holder. Insert the bulb and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Manoeuvre the bulb holder into position, then push it rearwards to engage the retaining clips. Reconnect the wiring plug and refit the access cover.